Hi, I'm Jess, one of the co-founders of Whitby Distillery, and today I'm going to be talking you through how to make the elder witch cocktail. So in English folklore, it's believed that witches live amongst the elder trees. So if you're ever going out picking elderberries or elderflowers, you should always thank the elder witch to avoid coming across any misfortune. So first things first, grab your mixing vessel and add a little... So first things first, grab your mixing vessel and add a bit of ice. Next, grab your Whitby Gin. Then pour 25 millilitres of your Whitby Gin. Oh, and a little bit more for luck. Next, grab your Dry Vermouth and add 25 millilitres. Now add 25 millilitres of your Elderflower liqueur. Give it a gentle stir. Next, grab your martini glass and have a pour. Now finally, add your garnish and voila!